Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to get a user's input in a Java programming. Here we have the public class and then the main function, and in order to get the input from the user we have to use something called scanner. To use the scanner, first we have to import. So go above the class and type import java.util.scanner. If you don't do this, it doesn't work because Java is really picky. So you have to import this one first in order to use this one. Now we are going to go inside the main function, and then we are going to type scanner and name whatever you want. I name this as Taliban, and then I equalize this one to new scanner, and then system.in. So what we are going to do here is we are going to get an input from the user, and we are going to print that same thing on the screen. Okay, now system.in. To get the input we put system.in. okay, if you want to print something out we put system.out. Now the next thing is printing out, that is system.out. System.out.println. Then I put in the bracket Taliban dot next line. In the next line we are going to print whatever the input is. Okay, now close this one with semicolon, and that's it. Now we can go ahead and run this one. Let's go ahead and run. Now when I proceed, here we can type something. Let's say I am saying hey now, and when I enter, you can see same thing printing on the screen. That's all about this getting user input. This is how we can get a user's input and print the same thing. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next tutorial.